Error code 57 on the Rheem gas furnace indicates a malfunction within the high-pressure switch. This issue can occur due to various causes, including a blocked exhaust vent or a faulty pressure switch. To resolve the issue, start by inspecting the vent for possible blockages and obstructions, and thoroughly clean it if necessary. Additionally, check for kinks in the tube and straighten it if needed, ensuring the tube is not decayed and free of water. If the issue persists, try resetting the unit by turning off the power flow to the furnace for about 5 minutes. Then restoring power and observing the fan movement. After the fan starts, remove one of the leads from the pressure control switch and connect it to the other lead to check if the issue has been resolved. In some cases, the pressure switch may need to be replaced. If the issue remains after attempting these solutions, it is recommended to consult a qualified technician familiar with similar repairs to perform a thorough check on the unit and complete any necessary repairs.